Brought to you by the Coffee Files. Make DIY instant coffee at home with this simple recipe. Do you like the taste of instant coffee? If you're like most people, the answer is probably no. But did you know that it's possible to make your own instant coffee at home using whole coffee beans? You might decide that the small amount of effort required to grind your own coffee beans into a fine instant coffee powder will make all the difference. Instant coffee became popular during World War II when it was included in soldiers' rations, and it has continued to grow in popularity ever since. How is instant coffee made? There are two ways to make instant coffee powder: freeze drying and spray drying. Freeze drying is the more expensive method, but it results in a higher quality product. Spray dried instant coffee has a weaker flavor, but it is cheaper to produce and has a longer shelf life. Why would you want to make your own instant coffee? Well, it's quick and convenient, great for traveling, and it can be less expensive. How about the coffee beans? Arabica beans may give you the best result for your DIY instant coffee. They have a complex flavor with hints of fruit and floral notes. If you're after a strong, bold flavor, use Robusta coffee beans. Make your own homemade instant coffee. Here's how. You'll need fresh whole bean coffee, an electric coffee grinder, a fine mesh strainer, and an airtight container. First, grind the beans to a fine powder, the consistency of sand. Next, put the ground coffee through a fine mesh strainer, leaving only the fine coffee powder. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee per cup of hot water and adjust to your preference. Enjoy! Store the extra coffee powder in an airtight container for up to 10 days. How to make instant coffee taste better. Use high-quality coffee beans, use fresh filtered water, and consider adding a small amount of cream to round out the flavor. However you choose to brew, including DIY instant coffee, enjoy your cup of Java. Thanks for watching.